Hey guys, welcome back to Travel with Mel. Today we're here at Domeino, located at La Castellana province of Negros Occidental, and it's almost 5 p.m. guys. We just arrived from different cafes also here in La Castellana. So check-in time is actually 3 p.m. but it's almost 5 p.m. and we just finished featuring some of the cafes here in La Castellana. So right now I'm gonna do a room tour. So let's see what it looks like. So this will be our room, and are you excited? Let's go! So welcome to Casablanca Suite. So right now I'm gonna show you the Instagrammable bed, and this is what it looks like, guys. So it's very beautiful. And this room is air conditioned, and if you have work, then meron silang table dito and dalawang chairs. And it's good news, guys, to those currently working from home and want to bring their work here sa Domeino. They actually have a Wi-Fi, so you can definitely work remotely sa kanilang mga suites. And I'm sure the owner is a certified plantita because I've noticed mayroong mga halaman dito. So these are yucca trees, I believe. And you'll have your Instagrammable spot here if you're tired of lying on bed. And of course, another dream catchers. And from here, you'll have a view of the swimming pool there. This time, I'm gonna show you our comfort room. Let's go! So, this is our comfort room. Wow, it's very nice, guys, because while having a shower, you'll get to enjoy that beautiful view of Mount Canlaon. Amazing, isn't it? Guys, it's dinner time. Thank you, Domeino, for our surf and turf dinner for tonight. Cheers! Hi guys, good morning. So it's already 5:30 in the morning, so rise and shine. So right now I'm gonna bring you sa kanilang pool, and look at how amazing our view is. That's the Mount Canlaon, guys, from afar. So this place is not yet 100% finished because they are still renovating and building something to make your glamping experience more fun and memorable with your friends and family. And in a few, we'll be hiking sa falls para wala pa masyadong tao because it's a Sunday, and if it's Sunday, it's family day, so medyo maraming tao. So we're trying to avoid that for us to take photos and videos na wala masyadong photo bombers. So let's see if walang masyadong tao later. It's already 8 AM and we're going down to the falls. Let's go! And of course, pictorial muna. Hey guys, so this is the trail going to the falls. So I can now hear the sound of the rushing water. So I'm excited to see Mandayao Falls with my own eyes. Let's go! So merong bridge dito guys, and nandito na kami actually sa falls, and wala pang 5 minutes. Madali lang siya because we're going down, and ang challenge lang is yung pabalik kasi it's an uphill trek. Welcome to Mandayao Falls! So that's about it guys for our Mandayao Falls adventure. Goodbye! Hey guys, so this is our breakfast setup. Cheers! Breakfast is ready. Hey guys, so they also have this breakfast in the pool. It can be served as well any time of the day while you're enjoying the beautiful view of Mount Canlaon. There. So if you're looking for this kind of breakfast in the pool, Domeino is the best place to go guys. Cheers!